Hey YouTube! So today I'm back again with the fourth installment of my series, uh, I Play Animal Jam, and today I've decided that I'm gonna dress up my character, the seal version of Shellspiracy, and let's begin. So right now I'm at the clothing store, and I know that there's other ways to get clothes, and probably more interesting clothes at that, by trading with people and getting uh, more interesting clothes. But I don't really have much in this game yet. So, anyway, let's get started. I think I'm gonna settle with the butterfly hair bow. And what color would go best with my character? I think pink goes nice. Pink or brown? I think I'm gonna choose brown though. So there's brown. Brown butterfly. And I like that scarf that I put through. Where is it? Somewhere here. I just can't find it. Oh, there it is. I just flipped past it. I'm not very observant, am I? There's orange, there's white, there's black, there's pink. Yeah, I'm just gonna stick with red on this one. I purchased a ribbon scarf that blows in the wind, I think. There's a butterfly bow. A brown one of that, because it goes with my character's skin better than blue would. And there's a cheese hat. I guess there's a cheese hat. So I guess if I want to go to a Packers game, I guess I'd send on that. And there's a chicken beak. I guess if I wanna dress up like a bird. Actually, a seal. My seal does slightly resemble a bird, but only kind of. Like the face does, not the body. So anyway, I think this is it for my video. Comment comment on any videos that you want me to do on the comment. If you have any videos that you want me to do, leave a comment in the description below. Subscribe to my channel, like this video, share it. I want more subscribers, and have a nice day.